Welcome to Submit, an online submission platform for computer science created by Nolan Burfield, Hardy Thrower, and Brandon Worrell. First, we will cover the instructor role. To the left is the navigation panel. The Courses button will allow the instructor to manage their courses. This page is where you will manage your courses. Let's create a course. Now to enter information about the course. I will call this course Test Course. Next, we need a description, term information, and whether the course is opened or closed. Click Create. Creating a course will generate a join token. The students will need the join token to enroll in a class. Copy this for further use. Now, let's create our first assignment. Enter in assignment details, like the name of the assignment, how many points it will be worth, and a brief description. Now select when the assignment will be available to the students and when the assignment is due. Now click Create. Now, under the course view, we can view the assignment we made. Towards the top, we see the information about the assignment. Now let's add some test cases. Upload your program, its dependencies, and a makefile. A makefile is required. Once the files are uploaded, you may click and view them. Here is a simple echo program, and the makefile associated with it. Now we define how to run the program with a run method. First, enter in the name, then the command line command to run your program, and last, a description. Now we will determine the inputs for the program. Enter in a name, description, and define the inputs to be sent to the program. Lastly, you can control which test cases are visible to the student. Let's create another input. We define the same parameters, name, description, and the input. Lastly, decide if the students will be able to view the test case. Now, let's make an input that is invisible to the student. Now that all of our inputs are complete, let's run the program and generate the outputs. Below, you can set runtime variables and max core dump sizes. Now let's take a look at the inputs. All of the inputs have generated outputs. These cannot be manually modified. Now let's take a look at the student role. Now, we will enroll the student in the course using the provided join token. Here, we can see the course information and all of the assignments within the course. Let's view the assignment. Here is where the students will upload their programs and submit their assignments. The student can upload their program and modify it directly from the site. I am going to modify the code to induce an error. You'll see why in a bit. Students may upload a makefile as well. However, the instructor's makefile will be used automatically. Now the student can run the test cases. Below, two outputs are generated. You see the input used, the expected output, the student's actual output, and the difference between the outputs. We see the first output had no difference, but there was a second output with an error. If the student wishes, they may submit their assignment. Once the student submits their assignment, they are not allowed to edit the assignment. Let's go back to the instructor and view the submission. Navigate back to the course, and within the assignment, we see our first submission. Now, we rerun the submission using all the test cases. This time, we see all three test cases are ran. The instructor can add a comment to the submission and a grade. A PDF file is generated for the students to see their grade and any comments you left. The instructor can look in the student's code and add comments by clicking the line number. Let's go back to the student. The grade file is accessible by the student, and when viewing their code, they can see the comment. Thank you for viewing this demo of Submit, an online submission platform for computer science, created by Nolan Burfield, Hardy Thrower, and Brandon Worrell.